Are they broken? Are mine green to go?
These are not. These are something trucks.
Shunting trucks.
These are tunnels.
Are we through the tunnels?
I'm going through.
Where's the dozy log?
This is Dozy Wood. This is Dozy Wood.
Should we go and find the logging locos? They might be down the alley. Who's going to get to the alleyway first?
I am.
Ooh.
Needles.
Oh, how exciting. Go on, go straight past.
One needle.
How many needles were there?
We got some needles, Mom. That's them.
2 needles. Bend your head. Good boy. What are they?
Dandelions. Dandelions.
They are dandelion clocks. No, let's keep going. The doggie's getting angry with us.